Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So today we are going to make eco-friendly Ganesh idol. So the ingredients needed for that are turmeric or paspu, all-purpose flour or maida, powdered sugar, milk and some pepper, thread and toothpick. So take a bowl and add all the ingredients into it. Turmeric, all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, a teaspoon is required, not too much, and then gradually add milk and go on mixing. So after preparing the dough, we need to divide them into balls. So we need to divide them into 10 balls. We need to make a big ball for the stomach and 2 other smaller balls than that size. One is for the base and one is for the head. These 2 are for the legs and these 2 are for the hands. This is for the trunk, also known as tondam. These 2 are for ears and these 2 extra balls are for rat, mushika and for other decoration purposes. So first take the stomach, first take the base part and then press it down like this. Flatten it like this and then take the stomach ball and then just slightly give it a shape, not spear shape, kind of a cylindrical. And you need to place it at the back, not in the middle, not in the front, not at the sides, but at the back. With the help of water, we need to combine this. So that it doesn't move and stays still. We need to join it like this, you can see. And then now we are going to make the legs and hands. Take the 2 balls for the legs. Roll them like this for the cylindrical shape. This is one of the leg and this is the other one. Now we are going to do the same for the hands also. Now take one of the leg and press it at the bottom like this. You need to pinch it at the tip. And slightly bend it in this manner. Do the same for the other leg too. For the hands, bend them into half in a V shape like this. Same for the other one. And attach it to the main body. In this manner, we need to attach it to the main body. Now we need to pinch at the tip in this way. You can little shape it out, and for the other one, to hold the laddu, I'm going to take the head ball and attach it. As we did before, we need to take quarter and joint all of this so that they don't move and stick properly. Now we are going to make the trunk. Take one ball and roll it in this manner. Remember that you need to make pointy at the tip, at one of the tips. Now add it to the head. We'll make the ears. Take two balls and press them like this. Flatten them. Same with the other one. Now pinch them at the ends. In this way. Same with the other one. And now we need to add them to the head. So now we are going to add the eyes. For that I am taking two pepper balls. And insert them into the idol. In this way. Now we are going to make one small laddu to place it in the hand. So here is our laddu. For the detailing, we are going to take a paper and fold it in half. So add these lines on the trunk. And now we are going to make the namas. So these are for the detailing. And now we are going to add thread. Now take a toothpick and chop the sharp edge of it for the teeth. One we need to take the sharp edge and the other one to be blunt. So add the trunk like this. So one is sharp and the other one should be blunt. In this way. Now we are going to make the crown or the mukut. So we need to take 3 sizes of balls, 3 different sizes. Now take the big one and press it in this way. The medium one, and the small one. Now put it on the top. So here's our eco-friendly idol. I have done the mushika, the laddus. If you want to add some more details like using white paint and red paint for the namas. So this is the idol. You can make this at home. Please don't cause yourself trouble by going out in this pandemic time. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, Fundus High School, Karimnagar. Stay home, stay safe.